Menteri Kejela Uba Alexander Laloo hek ulayaro ikijing stat tokit ki pulit banwat ikijing shisha halor kijing syak Panmab uraja Rakhuwanshi tang hapo hnyau sngi ulaken tu ya ka sarkar ban pentikna ikijing bishar hok bat ban Phah Panmab ya ka longyeng jong uba syak Panmab ki balaken tho ya Kejela uba hek ulama ham bagijing bamla ban Panmab kan lam sigijing uco da ka ejahat halor kijing pentho bria.
We are really thankful to the Meghalaya police for crack down the complete investigation within the 7 days. And also now we are seeking from the government, we are seeking the apology from the family member for the tarnishing the image of the state of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya. Also seeking the apology from the family of Sonab and also from the family of the Raja Raghuvanshi. Because they have really tarnished the image of the Meghalaya. That's why we as the people of Meghalaya, we demand the apology, or otherwise we have to file the defamation case against them.
MLA Kamau Kerwat Uba Renington L. Tongkhar